What is good, YouTube? It's your boy whosamgg, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Sunday POV drive around Boston in my E63S. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see next. Anyways, let's tune in, man. Come on. Come on. Move. 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 They move for daddy. All right, chat, we back. Let's go, we're approaching a fucking tunnel. You know what that means. Are you recording? Yeah, I am. Hold up. Hold on. It's that Hellcat. Let me try. I know I'm scaring this guy. I got y'all. Shut up, you. Shut up. Shut up. All right, chat. Now we are in, what? Government Center. It's close to the north end of Boston. Oh my God, hurry up. Move, man. I'm not letting you go. Sorry. 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 Oh, if you don't hurry Yo, chat, what if I just like, you know, just yo, he got scared. Damn, looks so beautiful. What do you guys mind with a little rev? Actually, let's leave this open. It's a nice day today. Why not? Oh my God, I set off an alarm. Shots fired from a black E63S. Oh my God! Ah. Yo! Ooh-wee. about to get crazy up in here. Ooh-wee. Yeah, bro. Y'all go show my guys some love, man. This shit's... I got the watermelon strawberry. And this is the... I think it's a strawberry shortcake. Strawberry shortcake or strawberry something else. But, yo, tap in. This is amazing. It's in Boston, Chinatown. Sweet waffles and boba. Go check it out. Anyways, let's tune into this video. Alright, guys. We're back. Damn. We are back. Look at the city of Boston, man. It's beautiful. Beautiful scenery. With shitty roads. Pick y'all back up when shit gets active. Bro, on the bike got nervous. Damn. Can I go? Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Damn. Girls in the stairs, so chips. You know, that lady at the crosswalk was looking at me crazy. It's alright though. It's alright, baby girl. We good, we good. We good, we good, we good. Alright, chat. You're on Beacon Street. Pretty sure this is downtown. Not really downtown. Like, we're near like Back Bay. Can I go? Please. Please. Thank you. Thank you. Damn, man. 72 degrees. Got the roof off. The roof, the sunroof. Man, can't get any better. Finally fixing up these fucking roads, man. About time, man. You ever heard of a launch control purr? This guy moved up. Yeah, I fucking love this thing. Hold on. Damn, pussy. What you honking at? What you honking at? Damn, bruh. Fuck's bro problem? Hurry up and move, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? God damn. Can I go? These roads are gonna destroy my car, and I'm never gonna stop talking about these roads being so bad. It is so bad. Chat, look at Boston, man. Look at Boston, man. Come on. That's MIT. Shut up. It's MIT over there. What's that? Damn. Alright, chat, I got y'all with a launch, because every video we gotta do a launch. A launch a day keeps a check engine light away. Woo! This car is spinning. I think I gave you a walk around the V. That's what it looks like lowered. Sheesh. This is tough. I will be doing a chrome delete on this soon. In that. Shit. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. All my social media links are in the YouTube bio, so y'all should go check that out. Comment down below what you want to see next. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. I know I already said that already, but please, 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 please. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!
Says 9, would be 10 if the odds went diving. 110 on my wrist, I'm vibing. Got my pin, I went skydiving. My London heat map's crazy, I wish that it weren't, I can't go back. Too many goals from Central, we went to the party with gang and we led the attack. Bad Middle Eastern vibe. She wanted to shop, so I gave her a rack. I told her as long as she keeps it real, don't